Have you got that? Okay. No. 4 hours. It's uploaded from thingy. The PS4. Yo.
Are you speaking to Deshaun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you said you can hear me.
Oh. No, it's because the video is long.
Oh Jonah,
Exactly.
Jonah,
Yeah.
make your mic clear.
Okay.
Like turn off all the noise in the background.
Yeah.
To do the YouTube video.
So.
Or join me.
Yeah. Is that where we run?
No, that's too loud.
Okay. Is it better now?
Yeah. Join.
Don't call me to stream it out. Yeah, I'm turning. Turn it down. That's a button on the yeah. You
Boy,
born
turn down your GTA as well. Before you join, turn down your GTA. Like turn on the radio, turn down the noise.
Oh.
Oh, too late now.
Turn on that.
Now it don't matter.
Why are you holding?
No, not yet. I'm waiting until you join.
I join now.
Yeah, I know. I know.
What do you say this one? This one.
Right. I'm recording.
Ruben.
Yo.
This one says, how did you know that somebody else's
What?
intro?
Because I can see it on YouTube. Oh, come focus on this. Come.
1 second, this one. We're gonna.
Why are you swimming?
Yeah.
What the heck? You're swimming in midair.
Can't take it, man.
Let's go. Come on, boys.
Yeah.
GTA
I'm recording.
Stunters. Boom, let's go. What car are you
Do
in?
this.
What car are you in?
X-Safety.
Sad. I switched mine. Press down and X, okay. Press down and X to get later, like when you get to the ramps. It gives you a nice little view. Did you just crash?
Oh.
You're rubbish. Let's go, taking the lead.
I'm not good at driving. We can have a shootout.
Oh yes. Alright, me too.
Mine says that you're on all of it.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
That's you, that's you, Ruben.
Yo, yeah. Oh crap, I can't even see right now. I can't even see.
Damn, man.
Yo, I'm spinning out. What? Woo!
I like this, I like this.
Don't tell me you're gonna pass me. Oh crap, I can't even drive.
Man, I cracked. Whoa, I cracked. Is that you, man?
Oh no, no.
Whoa. Oh crap, my car's going big.
I'm going backwards. What
Car
the?
went. Whoa. Can you see me?
Oh yeah. I spun out.
Whoa.
Ooh,
How do you pass me backwards?
Jeez, I'm too sick.
I thought about going.
Oh, I can't even see, man. It's hard. There we go.
Shit.
Yo,
No.
I'm too good. I'm too
Did
good.
you have a game
Yo,
of that a while ago?
I'm on some big ramp right now. Whoa. Let's do a backflip.
Oh. Did you see how I came after a while ago, really?
Huh?
Did you see how I fly like that a while ago?
Nah, I didn't even see it. Let's go. 10. I'm gone, man. This car's just the best.
What was car you in?
I don't even know, you know. These names on GTA nowadays are so weird.
I think I know which one you're in. I think. Not sure.
Let's go.
And this is it for YouTube, I'm gonna ask you.
Oh crap. Oh shit. Oh crap. Oh my days, I spun out.
I got 1K out of my bank for no reason.
Let's go. Boom. Hopefully this is enough speed. Wall ride. Oh no. I missed the extra boost shit. Oh crap.
I'm not catching you for now.
Yeah, I know.
I might as well just give up, man.
Let's go. Let's go, boys.
Oh, is that you?
Me. Wait, what? How did he? No! Oh shit! No! I was looking at your screen. No, I was looking at behind me.
Oh, I nearly slide off.
What that? Yeah, you're not winning. How did he? What? You fell in my slipstream. Oh
I
shit!
got a very fast car.
No, man. Oh damn it!
I do it for the speed, man.
I'm catching up anyway. I know that. That's a
Are
fact.
you catching it?
Yes, of course, mate. Come on, man.
Whoa, oh god.
Boom,
What
boom.
is shit?
Let's go. Right in the center. I shouldn't mess up.
I could see catching me now. How is it?
Yes, boys. Oh, I'm catching you. Wait, I can't see anything.
I need to stop looking behind you. Have you got it? Have you got it? Have you got it, man?
I'm coming now.
Oh, no!
Ooh, that was close. I was on the edge.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm first.
my
Yes.
God.
That's what I'm talking
Oh
about.
my god!
That is what I'm
No!
talking about, baby. Go.
Oh god damn!
Do a backflip again. Stay midair.
This is a very close race, you know.
No, it's not, because I won. Peace.
Are you at the end? Are you
Yeah?
at the end?
I'm basically, you know.
Are you in?
Basically, yeah.
That was so close while ago. I was so close to winning. Damn, man.
Sorry, I can never leave races on GTA now. Oh shit.
I'm good at racing,
Oh, I need to focus. What the heck did I just do?
man.
Oh no.
Goddamn. Is that you?
Yes, it is. Now, you ain't keeping up for now. I just got some boost.
I hope I catch up. If I catch up.
Nah, you're not.
If I catch up.
You're not.
At least,
I don't even know where you are.
the only thing is, I just don't want to lose by miles. I don't mind losing a little bit by
Oh, cool.
by
Wait, I'm
getting a little
second.
miles. Now you first.
Oh. Now you're gonna lose by miles anyway, so. Because I'm out.
I crashed, man.
Oh shit.
Crashed, man.
Ah, no. No.
I crashed, man.
It's hard. Come on.
I didn't even think doing that checkpoint. Damn, man.
Oh, my day is spinning out now.
See how I'm stuck. What is it?
Oh, I can see the finish line. You know what? I'll wait for you. I'll let you win because you're new to YouTube. I'll let you win, okay? Oh crap! Jeez, look how much goals I scored. Alright, go on. You can win. You can win.
Much time I've exploded. Damn.
Cause you're brand new to YouTube, so you know I'll let you win. Just hurry up. What are you doing? Where are
Never
you?
getting that checkpoint. I'm all the way over here.
Go on. I'll make you win. I'll be a nice guy and make you win. I'm waiting. Don't take long now.
Be the nice guy. You ain't making nobody will save your life.
I am, I swear.
Shit.
Quick.
Come on, I'm climbing. Yo. I'm gonna find. Man,
I can't even see you.
I can see you again.
I can't see you. Like, no!
Oh.
Yes! Oh, I actually thought you won there.
Oh.
Damn.